Good day everyone, I am Tianjin Gilirawan, a ED3 student from North Sushetin campus. The content of this discussion is all about the types of curriculum design under Unit 3. However, I'm going to explain the remaining two types, which are the learner-centered and the problem-centered design. Since the first type, which is the subject-centered, was already discussed by my groupmate, which is Michelle Rapada. So before we jump on our topic, let us first read our objectives for this lesson. So the first one is identify the three types of curriculum design. The second one is describe each kind using your own words. And the last one is acknowledge the significance of each type in the teaching and learning process. Let's now talk about the learner-centered design. So learner-centered design is a curricula that emphasizes the needs, nature, and interest of the learners in the curriculum. It is an approach that puts learners at the center of the educational process. This design revolves around the students' needs, interests, and goals. It recognizes that students are not all the same and should not be forced to follow a standardized curriculum in all circumstances. This strategy tries to provide students the ability to choose how they want to study. Learner-centered curriculum design is meant to empower learners, allowing them to shape their education through choices. This can motivate the students and help them engage in the materials. It is based on the understanding that each learner has a different characteristics, and these characteristics should be employed to elevate both training and learning. There are four categories under the learner-centered design, which are the child-centered design, experience-centered design, the romantic or radical design, and humanistic design. Child-centered design is influenced of John Dewey, Rousseau, Pestalozzi, and Froebel, anchored on the needs and interests of the child who engages with his or her environment. Child-centered design is a type of curriculum design where the children takes command of their own learning. Teachers are there to provide support and facilitate child's learning, but the children determine the direction of their own learning, following their natural curiosities, interest, and passion. Child-centered curriculum is an active learning educational approach that seeks to meet a child's needs in all levels of social, cognitive, physical, and emotional. Experience-centered design believes that interests and needs of learners cannot be pre-planned. Everything must be done on the spot. So, in this design, the child remains to be the focus but believes that the interests and needs of the learners cannot be pre-planned. The experiences of the learners becomes the starting point of the curriculum, and the learners are made to choose from various activities that the teacher provides. So the third category of the learner-centered design is the romantic or radical design. Radicals believe that today's schools are organized to further social classes and the haves and have-nots. Radical curriculum design is a way of teaching that aims to change the way students think and learn, focusing on big social issues like inequality or the environment. Instead of just memorizing facts, students are encouraged to question the world around them, think critically, and take action to make a positive difference in society. The fourth category of learner-centered design is humanistic design. The curriculum design should allow students to formulate a perceived individual and social good, and encourage them to participate in a community. So this is according to Hunkens and Ornstein 2013. In humanistic design, classrooms are collaborative, multidisciplinary, and flexible. Humanistic design emphasizes that there is a relationship between learning and feeling, stresses on empowering individuals and the development of positive self-concept and interpersonal skills. In this approach, learning is more personalized, with teachers acting as guides rather than just instructors. Students are encouraged to explore their interests, set personal goals, and take responsibility for their learning. So let us now move on to the third type of curriculum design, which is the problem-centered design. It draws on social problems, needs, interests, and abilities of the learners. Focus on teaching students how to look at the problem and come up with a solution to the problem. It is a type of curriculum model where students are encouraged to seek answers to real-world problems. There are two categories under problem-centered design. So the first category is the life situation design, and the second one is reconstructionist design. Life situation design allows the students to clarify their views of various problem areas. It uses past and present experiences of the learners to analyze the basic areas of living. Life situation design is a method used to create educational experiences that connect learning to real-life situations. The goal is to make lessons more relevant and practical for students by focusing on situations they may encounter in their daily lives. Reconstructionist design believe that the purpose of a curriculum is to reconstruct society and advance social justice. It engaged learners in analyzing many severe problems confronting humankind. Reconstructionist design is an educational approach that focuses on addressing and solving social problems through education. It encourages students to critically analyze society and work towards creating a better future. In this design, lessons are structured around real-world issues like climate change, inequality, or human rights. Students not only learn academic content but also explore how they can contribute to social change. Reconstructionist design emphasizes collaboration, critical thinking, and action-oriented learning.